Hello everyone, you're on the GT Cars channel, and today I got this package. This package is HLH72979B, and this one, made in Thailand, contains 10 pieces, toys Hot Wheels cars. So this one is some special set, and we will see what inside. But I think this one contains neon speeders, or I don't remember really, but something neon, second series. So less talking, more doing. So it's open now. Oh, on cards it will be HLH72. So this have protective cardboard piece, so we will throw it away. Let's start with first one. First one will be, oh yes, neon speeders. This is second series. It was first one, but I have now second one. This one contains 8 different cars, and in full box we have 10 pieces, so will be duplicates. First one that we will see from this box is it's 8 of 8, and this one Nissan 350Z. Oh, this one have Yokohama on the back, and black, green and blue colors. Cool. This one is 8 of 8, so we put it here. Next one will be 4 of 8, 95 Mazda RX-7 Drift. It has all the details, and made in Taiwan. Next one, 1 of 8, and this one is 70 Toyota Celica in green color. This one cool. GT. Next one from the box will be 6 of 8 Honda S2000 in yellow color. Next one will be one more Honda S2K. Okay. Next one stuck. Okay. Oh, this one is, wow, 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse. This one, and this one is 5 of 8. Orange Eclipse. I will definitely put this one in my collection. I have a lot of Eclipse from Fast and Furious, like green ones, and now I will have orange one. 7 of 8 custom 2001 Acura Integra GCR. Next one will be 2 of 8 Datsun 510 wagon. Datsun 510. Okay, next one. 3 of 8, and this one is Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Okay, And the last one of 10 is also one more Datsun. So from all box, from 10 pieces, we have each one and 2 duplicates. So let's find from first one Toyota, second one Datsun, third Nissan Skyline, 4 is Mazda RX-7, 5 is Eclipse, 6 Honda, 7 Acura, and Nissan 350Z. So put it like this and I'll show you. So this one is Neon Speeders, all 8 cars, and write in comments which one is your favorite. Mine is this one. This one is very nice. So thank you for the watching, see you soon in next video, bye bye.